An average day with us with Mirka products is on the body shop side, from doing your mud work, doing your prep work, doing all that, onto the paint side, finishing it out for paint prep. We use it in all aspects of the business from front to back. Most challenging part of our work is just the cleanliness of the shop and the longevity of technicians and their health in this business with all the dust and the hazardous waste out there. With Mirka products, it's cut down on the dirtiness of the shop, all the dust out there in the shop. It's helped with the technicians' health. They're not breathing all that product in anymore. All around, the shop looks nicer, the shop's cleaner, it helps with the AC, it helps just with everything.
I probably use the Mirka system probably a third of every day, sanding Bondos and finish putties. Before I used Mirka products, it was extremely dirty all the time. Mirka stood out just in their usability and how easy it is to use the system.
Mirka products I use is the dustless sanding system with the OSP paper. It makes for a cleaner job, nicer finish, and speeds up time.
With the heating and air, we're a climate controlled facility. We were changing our filters weekly. Now we're changing our filters monthly. So it's cut it down, over half at minimum. It's once a month, opposed to every single week I was buying filters. What made us switch to Mirka was we were looking at what we could do to extend the life of a technician. Before we did not use Mirka products, it was like any typical body shop. It was dust from one end to the other. Guys covered head to toe in dust, going home, taking it home with them, and a lot of coughs, a lot of sicknesses with some of the guys, just respiratory problems because of the dust. Now it's a clean shop. The guys are healthier. The products we use here are the dustless carts. I actually just bought my 9th cart. Very pleased with them all. We use the OSP, the 1, 2, 3, 4 step of sandpapers, and that's all we use in our shop. No other grits of sandpaper. I would recommend this product to other shops who are looking to extend the life of their technicians, to keep their shop clean, and all around just to be consistent as far as every job you send to the paint shop is the exact same way from every single technician. You don't have multiple sandpapers, you don't have multiple this, multiple that. It's consistent, so when the paint shop gets it, it's the same product every single time. I'm Ronnie Thomas with Milton Martin Collision Center, and I'm dedicated to the finish.